Number 1. 1989 Ford F-150 XLT Standard Cab 4xD, $4,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1989 Ford F-150 XLT is a practical full-size pickup that still offers plenty of utility. Powered by a V8 engine and paired with a manual transmission, it starts reliably and features a desirable 8-foot bed for hauling duties. The seller reports only 47,000 miles showing on the odometer, although the mileage has rolled over. Recent maintenance includes an alternator replacement, and the truck still has functioning heat. The biggest concern is the unconventional ignition setup, which currently requires a push-button start. It also needs 2 front tires. Despite these issues, this classic Ford remains an affordable 4-wheel drive workhorse with strong potential. Number 2. 1989 Ford F-250 Cummins conversion, $5,000, Hoquiam, Washington. This 1989 Ford F-250 is a highly unusual and fascinating custom build. Under the hood sits a legendary 5.9-liter Cummins diesel engine paired with a fuller 5-speed transmission and a Brown-Lipe auxiliary transmission, creating an incredible 15 forward gears and 3 reverse gears. The truck reportedly has 56,458 original miles, along with new brakes and new tires. Built specifically for hauling firewood, it offers exceptional towing capability and durability. For enthusiasts who appreciate unique diesel conversions, this truck represents tremendous value at its asking price. Number 3. 1972 Ford F-100 pickup, $1,500, Renton, Washington. Finding a running and driving 1972 Ford F-100 at this price is becoming increasingly rare. This truck features a rebuilt V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a clean title, making it a promising budget-friendly classic. The primary issue is a faulty starter, but otherwise the truck reportedly runs and drives. The 1972 model marks the final year of Ford's popular 5th-generation F-Series design, making it especially desirable among collectors seeking a straightforward restoration project. Number 4. 1979 Toyota pickup, $2,850, Edgewood, New Mexico. This 1979 Toyota pickup represents the simple, rugged engineering that helped establish Toyota's reputation in North America. Equipped with the durable 20R 4-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, these trucks are known for reliability and ease of maintenance. The truck currently requires a distributor replacement before returning to service. With a clean New Mexico title and relatively straightforward mechanical needs, this compact pickup offers an excellent restoration opportunity for Toyota enthusiasts. Number 5. 1961 Ford Falcon Ranchero, $4,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1961 Ford Falcon Ranchero blends compact utility with classic performance upgrades. Under the hood is a 289 cubic inch Ford V8 featuring a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust system, and 4-speed manual transmission, creating a lively driving experience. Additional upgrades include improved brakes, updated interior components, bucket seats, and custom styling touches. The Ranchero runs well and has been regularly driven and garage kept. While the tires, suspension, and alignment require attention, this remains a highly attractive early Ranchero with significant enthusiast appeal. Number 6. 1956 Studebaker Transtar, $100 Albany, Oregon. The Studebaker Transtar is one of the more distinctive trucks of the 1950s, and examples are becoming increasingly difficult to find. This half-ton pickup retains its original V8 engine and 3-speed column-shift manual transmission. Although the engine is currently seized from years of inactivity, the truck features good glass and only surface rust. At just over $1,000, this represents an affordable entry point into a unique and often overlooked American truck brand. Number 7. 1948 Dodge Pilot House Short Bed, $6,800, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1948 Dodge Pilot House is a highly desirable post-war pickup featuring the iconic cab design that gave these trucks their name. Powered by a flathead inline-6 and manual transmission, it retains much of its original character while benefiting from a new exhaust system, fuel tank, and drive shaft. The original 6-volt electrical system remains operational, and the seller reports no rust holes or cracked glass. Pilot House trucks have become increasingly collectible, and this solid running example offers excellent value for vintage truck enthusiasts. Number 8. 1965 Ford F-250 Long Bed, $5,000, Sherwood, Oregon. The 1965 Ford F-250 is one of the most recognizable Ford truck designs ever built. This example is a project vehicle equipped with a 352 cubic inch FE Series V8 and automatic transmission. The truck currently does not run due to a broken camshaft, and the braking system, fuel tank, tires, and engine require attention before returning to the road. However, the seller notes that both the body and frame are in excellent condition with minimal rust. Solid 1965 F-250s are becoming harder to find, making this an appealing restoration candidate. Number 9. 1952 Ford Rat Rod Pickup, $8,000, Hutchinson, Kansas. This custom 1952 Ford Rat Rod combines classic styling with modern drivability. Power comes from a Ford 302 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, while numerous upgrades improve reliability and handling. New disc brakes, steering components, gauges, radiator, alternator, and heater make this truck ready for regular use. Unlike many unfinished Rat Rod projects, this example is fully operational and can be driven immediately, making it attractive for buyers seeking a fun weekend cruiser. Number 10. 1953 Ford F-250, $7,950, Eugene, Oregon. This 1953 Ford F-250 remains a true work truck survivor, wearing decades of honest patina and character. Under the hood is Ford's dependable 215 cubic inch mileage maker inline-6, connected to a rugged 4-speed manual transmission with granny low gearing. Recent upgrades include electronic ignition, 12-volt electrical conversion, new starter, alternator, cables, and 5 new tires. While the brakes still require additional attention, the truck runs and drives. For collectors who appreciate originality and authentic farm truck history, this Ford offers substantial charm. Number 11. 1985 Dodge D50 4x4, $995, Sisters, Oregon. The Dodge D50 is a compact pickup developed through Dodge's partnership with Mitsubishi and has become increasingly uncommon. This four-wheel drive example features a manual transmission and a clean title. Its primary issue is a failed clutch assembly, although a replacement clutch is included with the sale. For less than $1,000, this truck offers an inexpensive restoration project with growing collector interest among compact truck enthusiasts. Number 12. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Short Box, $7,000, Omak, Washington. This genuine short box 1966 Chevrolet C10 is one of the most sought-after configurations among classic truck collectors. The truck reportedly runs and drives well while benefiting from numerous recently installed parts. Short bed Chevrolet pickups consistently command stronger values than long bed models, and the 1960 to 1966 body style remains one of the most iconic designs Chevrolet ever produced. This appears to be a strong candidate for either preservation or further customization. Number 13. 1968 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $9,500, New Braunfels, Texas. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 remains in largely original condition and has been owned by the same family for many years. Equipped with its original V6 engine and 3-speed manual transmission, it delivers a genuine period-correct driving experience. The truck still runs and drives, although carburetor tuning is needed. New tires have already been installed, while typical rust appears in common locations. As the first year of Chevrolet's Action Line successor body style, the 1968 C10 continues to be highly desirable among collectors. Number 14. 1967 Ford F-250, $6,500, Sahuarita, Arizona. This mostly original 1967 Ford F-250 is a well-preserved example of Ford's popular bump-side generation. Power comes from a 352 cubic inch FE Series V8 paired with the traditional 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The seller recently refreshed the appearance with a cut and buff paint treatment and installed new factory-style carpeting. With minimal rust and strong driving manners, this truck presents an excellent blend of originality and usability. Number 15. 1962 Dodge D100, $10,000, Ardmore, Oklahoma. This 1962 Dodge D100 is a highly promising mid-restoration project featuring an all-original, rust-free body and Dodge's dependable slant-six engine. Significant bodywork has already been completed by a professional paint and body shop, creating a strong foundation for the next phase of the build. The truck retains all of its glass and possesses exceptionally solid structure, qualities that are increasingly difficult to find in early 1960s pickups. Whether restored to original specifications or transformed into a custom build with a modern drivetrain and air suspension, this Dodge offers outstanding potential and strong collector appeal.